Hello everyone, and welcome once again to Kanyeri Vlogs. Today I will be showing you how to harvest kale and collard seeds. When the kale and collard crop starts to bolt, this is a stage where they stop producing the leafy greens and they start to flower. I will usually cut off the top part of the crop so as to prevent it from bolting and to encourage it to produce a few more leaves. But for some of the crops, I will let them go into bolting and flowering stage. I do this with the main purpose of harvesting the seeds from them and replanting them at a later stage, hence saving myself some pennies as I won't need to buy any more new seeds. Harvesting kale and collard seeds is pretty easy. Even little hands can do it. In fact, kids will love popping those pods and getting all those seeds out. Just make sure you pick the well-dried pods so they are a bit crunchy and easy to open up. You need to be very gentle when opening them as the seeds are very tiny and they can just jump all over if too much force is used.
Yay!
You're doing amazing.
We love you, Alvin.
As you can see, my little one is doing it so well. I'm very impressed with her.
How can they stay in there forever? Like this one? The seed.
Just look at the bountiful harvest that we've got today. We are going to plant some in the next coming planting season and save some for another time. Be sure to bag them up nicely immediately after you harvest them. Write down the date and the type of seed that you have harvested as a reminder, because seeds that are over 2 years old cannot have the same yields as freshly harvested seeds. That's all we had for you today. Be sure to subscribe for more gardening